Kia ora. Today we're going to look at somatic and gametic mutations. So just a reminder of what a mutation is. It's a change in the DNA sequence that is permanent and it creates a new allele. It's the only time we get brand new variation. All the rest of the variation that occurs through independent assortment, crossing over, all of that is just shuffling of existing variation. Today we're going to look at somatic and gametic cell mutations and the effects that has. So first of all, somatic cells are body cells, and here's a picture of some muscle cells. And so any kind of skin mutation that we might get through perhaps exposure to the sun, like freckles, occurring during our lifetime, or age spots, or even a skin cancer, they are somatic cell mutations. Gametic cells, they're all the sperm, the eggs, and the pollen, and any mutations that occur to them usually occur during the DNA sequence process in meiosis, and meiosis, and there's usually a mistake that happens in that process which causes a mutation. So the position of those mutations is actually really important, and so that's what we're going to focus on a little bit more in the next slide. So gametic mutations are hereditary. That means they can be inherited from one parent to the offspring. It presents throughout the life, so the mutation is present in the DNA in all of the cells of the organism. It can be also called a germline mutation, and that's because often eggs and sperm cells are called germ cells. A fertilized egg receives DNA from both parents, so even if one parent has this mutation, then the offspring will inherit it, and that's during sexual reproduction. If reproduction is asexual, the offspring will inherit mutations if the single parent has it. And then the other kind of mutation is the body cell ones, the somatic cell ones, that's acquired during somebody's or an organism's lifetime, ones that are directly affected by the environmental factors. And the environmental factors like UV radiation, viral infections are what causes these kinds of mutations. If a mistake in the DNA replication of that occurs, so for example, during a repair or something like that, then only that part of the body is affected by that mutation. It's not the whole body. Acquired mutations is sometimes what these ones are called. Acquired mutations in somatic cells are never passed on to the next generation. And that's the end of our video today. Ka kite.